The puppy waited, but no one came. Rain fell harder, cars passed. People looked and kept walking. He was small, soaked, shivering, but he didn't move. Every time headlights appeared, his tail wagged. Every time footsteps got closer, his ears lifted. Hope again, and again, and again, and again. An hour passed, then 2. The rain didn't stop, and neither did he, because earlier that day, his owner had tied him near a shop and said, "Stay here, I'll be back." And the puppy believed him. That's what dogs do. They believe. Then something unexpected happened. An older man stopped. He didn't call the puppy. He didn't rush. He stood there in the rain and waited with him. 10 minutes passed, no one came. The older man untied the leash, wrapped the puppy in his coat, and whispered, "He left, but I won't." Here's the truth. Sometimes loyalty doesn't return the way you expect, but it always finds its way back through someone else. Maybe animals understand loyalty better than we do.